Keep on like going crazy. I don't know. You just dragged the guy into the water. That's fun. It is. Let's just let loose and see what happens.
Maybe a little.
Excuse me, ma'am. How's it going, guys? vlogNvlogs here. I hope you're having a splendid National Indian Pudding Day. Don't really know what that is. I think I'll have to look it up later. So we're here at one of our state parks, I believe. Is it a state park? Yeah. We're here to see the eternal flame. It's just natural gas coming up from the ground. Whoa.
Yeah, pretty steep terrain.
Yeah. So we're walking over here because I saw a building.
Yeah, we're gonna go see
really.
what it is really. It's some sort of structure.
Right over there. I don't know what that is actually. Alright.
I don't even know where that trail is.
Up the tree. Yeah, I know. We lost the trail already.
Yeah.
Just
we were just walking over.
That's like, is it in the ground? I think it's the back. Latrine thingy. It is in the ground.
A latrine. Oh wow. It's just the roof. Where's the path though?
I don't know. Oh wait, it might. Yeah.
What the heck? Fort.
Oh my god. I don't know. Is it? It is just the roof. What the heck? Yeah. There's a lot of cement in there though. Wow.
Huh. That's cool.
Alright, so we're gonna head down to the Eternal Flame. We'll pick it up there. There's a lot of people, so we just gotta watch where we're going.
Yep.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, look how beautiful. You should climb this tree.
No.
Right to the top. Nah, I ain't doing it. Alright, let's go down. Alright, kinda, look at this one. Wanna try and get to the top? Yes. You think we'll get up that though?
No.
I love it here. Looks really cool.
So how the path goes, I guess, is you come up here and then the flame is over there, so you go over the flame and then you walk down and it's like steep right there and it comes over and you get down to the flame. So that's where that led to.
Alright, so we're heading back to the car right now. It's starting to get somewhat dark. It's gonna be dark soon by the time we get there, maybe.
It's dark at like 5 o'clock now.
Yeah. I don't know, there are a lot of people down there too, so it's also getting really muddy. Because I didn't really want to deal with that.
We are back in the car now, on the way home. Had a great time at the waterfall with the flame.
Tony, my man.
That's so great.
Alright, that wraps up today. We're home now, almost there. Yeah. So, that's it. You guys had a great National Indian Pudding Day. Sounds delicious. I don't know what it is, but it sounds great. Alright? Yeah. Alright, see you guys next vlog.